Hey folks, and welcome to this series of videos on SAM for Rhapsody. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this first video I'll give you a brief introduction to what SAM is and how to start using it. Today, AI is everywhere. I'm sure you've already used a chatbot like ChatGPT or Claude to help write a document or perform a calculation or perform some sort of research. The SodiusWillert AI Modeling Assistant for Rhapsody, or SAM for short, enables AI for modeling. SAM provides an AI assistant with an interface to read and modify Rhapsody models. But it's more than that. It contains 30 years of experience in model-based systems and software engineering and extensive knowledge of the Rhapsody API, all distilled into a set of tools that allow an AI assistant to drive Rhapsody as if it were a Rhapsody expert. Applying AI to model-based engineering practices can bring a number of benefits. AI assistants can detect patterns in the models. They can suggest modifications or improvements and even implement them. They can create model elements. They can check for consistency or completeness and assist in documentation of models. They can even act as virtual teachers, helping an engineer learn a modeling language or even learn Rhapsody through worked examples. The key is not AI replacing engineers, but amplifying what they do, speeding up model creation, overcoming Rhapsody's learning curve, and improving model quality, enabling teams to focus on higher value work. So let's get started. On the left, I have Rhapsody with one of Rhapsody's sample models already loaded. On the right, I have an AI assistant. Now I'm using Claude, but you can use any AI assistant that you like, provided they support a standard protocol called MCP. Let's first add SAM to the model. Now that's a regular Rhapsody profile, so I'll select File, Add Profile to Model, and then navigate into the SAM folder and finally select the SAM profile. Now you also of course need to configure the AI assistant, and each AI provider does that slightly differently. I've already configured Claude, so I can just start typing. Let's ask it which model is currently loaded in Rhapsody and have it give us a summary of its content. The AI assistant now uses the tools provided by SAM to query the Rhapsody model and get the information I've asked for, before summarizing it in the chat window. So I don't even need to be able to drive Rhapsody to be able to consume a model. I can have the AI explain it to me. Let's dive a little deeper by asking it to explain the flow of the main activity that it just found. Now, if I do want to see that in Rhapsody, again, I don't need to know where it is in the model or how to find it. I can just ask SAM to show it to me. Well, that's it for this video. Over the course of the series, we'll explore other use cases for applying AI to model-based engineering in Rhapsody with SAM, and how to extend its capabilities so it works in the way that you want it to, using your domain, your profiles, your workflows, and so on. I hope you enjoy the series, but for now, thanks for watching.